Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this power strip. So here we have these outlets right here. We've got outlets on the side, then we've got USB-A and USB-C ports. You can even mount this to a table. So it does come with the little screws that you're going to need. So if you want to mount it to the table, you're going to have to run those screws through those three spots right there. They line up perfectly. And now I can mount this to my table. I even have some other screws I could use to mount it right here. So let's measure this real quick. So that opening is about 3 inches. It's going to stick out from the table about 3 inches also. This unit itself is 2.5 by 4 by about 1 inch. Now it does have a 10-foot long cord and it is flat. And it's 3-prong. And when you plug it in, it comes off at an angle. So you can still plug things in up above it or below it. Now it's rated for 120 volts, 15 amps. USB output is 17 watts, so 5 volts, 3 amps. USB-C, 5 volts, 2.4 amps for USB-A. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.